Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by to check out this MyCost Professional tutorial. I assume you're here because you got the free trial and you want to get started. So if you haven't gotten the free trial yet, head over to MyCostPro.com and go ahead and grab that trial and then come back. But hit pause and go do that first, and then you can follow along in person. First thing we're going to do is update your sold list items. So you're going to go there. Before I hit refresh, I'm going to put these customer columns into bookmark view. You can do that per column or as the whole category, just so I don't show the customer information to everyone on the internets. Click the refresh button. This is going to get your sold items from the last 90 days. This takes about 30 seconds on my account because I have 33 sold items, and that's just how long it takes. If you have more items, it might take a little bit longer. The first time you run it is actually the longest because it's checking the whole 90-day period, and after that point you're only checking the duration after this call until the next sold call, so it runs quicker. Alright, you can see 33 items sold. Item number, item title, quantity, sale date, shipping service, package tracking with a link to the website. Item purchase price, which is interesting because eBay doesn't have this information. We can go into more detail in a minute on that. Final value fee, PayPal fee, the selling price, shipping and handling. Alright, so let's find out here more about this item purchase price. How did that get filled in? So we'll go back to the home page and we'll click the Product Master tab. Here you can see 4 examples of items that I sell repeatedly, so I went ahead and pre-populated these. All you need to do is put in a short description of the item and then the item listing description from eBay and the purchase price and shipping cost and any packaging costs or whatever you want to add. All of this is optional, you don't have to fill this in, but if you have items that sell repeatedly, the same items over and over, this will save you a lot of time. And also if you have items that you're not sure how long it's going to take to sell, even if it's only one item, you can go ahead and put it in here with the purchase price. That way you don't have to dig up that receipt when it finally sells to fill in the purchase price. I'll go back to the home page and then go back to sold items. One thing I want to show you here, this double triangle will unhide columns that are hidden from view by the user. If there's an H, you can delete the H, or you can add an H for hidden and not hidden, and hit this double triangle again to toggle the two settings. So here you see the product name. This is the short description you put in. So maybe you don't need to show that long item title anymore. You can just bookmark that or add an H and hide it all together. We'll go back to the home page, and now that I've downloaded some sales, you can see this dashboard is filled in. You can change these categories to items sold, income, selling expense, overhead expense, profit, and you can change the time frames too. Month to date, year to date, last 31 days, today, etc. You can see more detailed reporting information with these report tabs. This is the performance analysis year to date by month. This lets you select the month on this report and see the daily analysis. You have your profit and loss snapshot for a month, profit and loss for monthly, profit and loss quarterly, and you select the year here as well, so if you continue using this sheet for a while you can get some interesting data to look at. And one last thing I'm going to show you before I leave this screen is the full screen button. Excel users are going to recognize this ribbon bar, the thing that takes up a good portion of your screen normally. This full screen button allows you to hide that. So you really have all the flexibility of Excel. Um, Nothing's locked out from you except for the Visual Basic code. So if you want to go in here and change the shading of cells or put your own formulas in, you can. If you want to head on over to MyCostPro.com and download that free trial if you haven't gotten it already, go ahead and do that. And in the next video, I'm going to show you the active item list, which lets you see all the items you have currently listed. And I'm going to show you the expense tracking tab that lets you track in detail your business expenses. So have a good day.